Hello, my name is Shahad Khalil, and today I will share with you my experience at Cambly. When I started studying, I was a beginner. I started studying 15 minutes a day with my teacher Pam. This is my level in first class.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want reading. reading. Wonderful.
Wonderful reading.
It was really awful, but with my teacher's constant support, I was able to gain fluency in the language. Thanks, Pam. Thank you for listening to my story. If you want to get free minutes in the Cambly app, type the code CH555 in referral code and you will get 15 free minutes. Enjoy and learn English now with Cambly.